Good morning, class. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. Today's class is going to be about for or since. These are both words that we can use to measure time, but there are a few little differences and we do need to use them a little differently. But after today's video, that won't be a problem for you. If you're new to the channel, I'm Justin, and I'm here to help you become a better, more fluent English speaker. If that sounds good to you, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate you subscribing to the channel, because I'm putting out one short form video every day, and then 2 long videos twice a week. With that out of the way, let's start talking about for or since. They're both used to talk about a length of time. If somebody asked me, Justin, how long have you been teaching? I could say, I've been teaching for 6 years. Or I could say, I've been teaching since 2017. Both of those are correct, and I could use either one of those. The big difference is when we use for, we're talking about a length of time, 6 years. And this length of time can be different. It can be 6 years, 3 months, 1 day, 15 minutes. When we use since, we measure that time from a specific point in time in the past, and that continues up until now. So my example, I've been teaching since 2017. The math adds up to 6 years from 2017 until now. That's why both of my answers are correct and true. Other examples of a point in time can be January, February, Monday, Tuesday, 4 o'clock. These measurements of time don't need to be specific. For example, I've been learning Spanish for years. When we say years, that's not really specific, but we do know that it's at least 2 years. Another example would be, she's been really happy since she got the new car. We don't know when she got the new car, but it is a specific point in time. Both of these terms are going to be used in the present perfect or present perfect continuous forms. So that's something that started in the past, but it hasn't finished yet. Another difference between for and since is since can be only used in the present tense, while for can be used in the past tense, present, or future tense. So in the past tense, I did my homework for 2 hours. Present, I have been reading for 30 minutes. Future, I will go to Japan for 2 weeks. There you can see how we can use for to talk about a measurement of time in the past, present, and future. Maybe an easy way that you can remember the difference between for and since is just the name, for, as in 4 units of time. I've been living in America for 4 years. I've been studying for 4 hours. I've been eating for 4 minutes. Now we'll have a little quiz, put some questions on the screen, and you can think about whether it's for or since. I've been cooking since 2 o'clock. I've been living in California for 3 years. I was in Italy for 1 month. I've been hungry since I got home. I've been reading since 5 o'clock. I've been driving for 2 hours. I haven't played video games since I was a kid. I haven't been to the cinema for 2 weeks. I've had my phone for a while. Hope that helps you with for or since. If it did help, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to the channel. If you have any other questions about 4 or cents, go ahead, leave those in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next lesson, all right? Justin out.